Hey everyone, so this is going to be the assignments for today in science. If you look at the top, there's going to be no Zoom today for science. I talked about that yesterday in class. For the daily warm up, you have to only click on the Google form, and all you're going to do is just answer the questions. You don't have to take a screenshot. You don't have to do any of those things because this is already a Google form. The minute you submit this, it's going to give you a score and I can have access to it. So don't worry about going into Google Classroom, because if you go in there, you're going to notice that there's not a spot for the daily warm up. Let me show you really quick. So there's not a spot in here for the daily warm up, okay? Because it's a form, you're automatically going to hit submit and I get it. It's one less step you guys had to do today. So then you're going to come back and you're going to read the diagrams below. You're going to draw the diagram below in the handout. I gave this to everybody 2 days ago and I asked you to glue it into your notebooks. If you don't have it, not sure why you don't have it, maybe you were gone. Please just go ahead and draw it on a piece of paper. In your notebook, on a piece of paper, doesn't matter. Then you're going to take a screenshot of both of the papers that you drew, both of the diagrams that you drew, and you're going to upload that into Google Classroom. Please make sure you upload the correct way so I can actually see the link. If you go here, it's going to take you to Google Classroom. So this is what the handout looked like here at the top. You had one that said examples of divergent plate boundaries. You need to go to where it says oceanic crust and continental crust and just roughly make a diagram. I did this and it literally is just a blobby. I labeled it. There's the mid-Atlantic ridge. It's nothing super fancy. I did not draw a giraffe. You know I can't draw. So then you're going to come down here. You should have the other handout at the top where it says Rift Valley, oceanic, continental. You're going to just draw roughly in this little diagram here, this diagram here, and this diagram here. Then you're going to take a screenshot of both of those and upload that for me in the Google Classroom. So let's go back so I can show you exactly where it's at. It is going to be right here, February 31st through the 4th. This is the NTI assignment. You're going to fill this form out and you're going to upload the screenshots into that. If you have any questions, just go ahead and email me.